All users are required to have a mounted transponder on their vehicles to use the 91 express lanes. There are 3 types of transponders, depending on whether you carpool and the type of vehicle you have. Let's start with the interior sticker transponder. This is what most vehicles require, except motorcycles and those with metal oxide windshields. To install, make sure the windshield is clean and dry. Peel the backing off and affix it to the inside of the windshield 2 to 4 inches from the top, behind the rearview mirror. Smooth it flat against the glass. Never try to move a sticker transponder once it's been installed. It will break and become unusable. Some express lanes in California require customers to have a FasTrak Flex switchable transponder to receive a carpool discount. If you only ride on the 91 express lanes, you do not need to get one to get the discount. Remember, your switchable does not replace your sticker transponder. Install both, and never install a transponder close to an existing one. It may not work properly. To make sure the switchable is correctly installed, first clean and dry the mounting area. Then, peel the backing from the adhesive strips and place the transponder at least 2 inches from the side and bottom lower left of the windshield. Always set the switch before you drive. If you ride a motorcycle, you will need an exterior sticker transponder. First, clean the headlight. Then peel only the top piece, being careful not to sharply bend it. Place the sticker in the center of the headlight. If your vehicle has been identified as having a metal oxide windshield, it will require an exterior sticker transponder, which is placed on the cleaned driver's side headlight, at least 2 inches from any metal parts. Press it smoothly against the surface to remove all air bubbles. Now you're ready to take the 91 express lanes and live life on time. You can find more information on our website or give us a call.